Hello everyone, welcome to CivilGurugyan. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate the weight of steel bars in construction. This is an essential skill for civil engineers, site engineers, and students who deal with concrete and steel work. Steel bar weight depends on two things: the diameter of the bar and its length. Here's the formula you can use. For meters, weight kg/dl. For feet, weight feet/dl. Where d is the diameter of the steel bar, L is the length. Let's take an example. Suppose we have 416 diameter steel bars, each 12 meters long. Step 1. Calculate the weight of one bar. Weight equals sign 18.93 kilograms. Step 2. Multiply by the number of bars. Total weight equals sign 18.93 times 4 equals 72 kilograms. So, the total weight of 4 bars of 16 diameter, each 12 meters long, is 75.72 kilograms. Sometimes it's easier to use a unit weight table, especially for quick calculations. 6 m 0.22 kilograms per m, 8 m 0.395 kilograms per m, 10 m 0.617 kilograms per m, 12 m 0.89 kilograms per m, 16 1.58 kilograms per m, 20 2.47 kilograms per m, 25 3.86 kilograms per m, 32 6.32 kilograms per m. Tip for site work: always measure diameter accurately and check the length before calculating. Small differences can change the total weight significantly, especially for long bars or large quantities. That's all for today's tutorial on how to calculate the weight of steel bars. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends,